A large truck loaded with fully ripe jackfruits arrives at the factory's logistics gate, marking the beginning of the dried jackfruit production process. The massive jackfruits glide forward smoothly, carried by conveyor systems designed to handle their size and weight. At the quality control station, each jackfruit is placed on a digital scale to record its exact weight as part of the initial inspection. The scale displays a precise measurement, confirming whether the fruit meets processing requirements. A technician checks ripeness and surface condition by hand, feeling the texture of the skin to detect defects or inconsistencies. Once approved, a traceability label is applied, linking each jackfruit to its origin and quality records. The labeled jackfruits continue deeper into the factory, moving in long, orderly lines toward automated processing areas. A wide view reveals the main production floor, where workers perform preliminary inspections alongside continuously operating machinery. Robotic arms guide the jackfruits into automated size sorting systems, reducing manual handling and ensuring consistency. From above, laser sensors scan each jackfruit to analyze shape and dimensions with high accuracy. Larger jackfruits are automatically directed into designated containers, prepared for specific cutting and drying parameters. Smaller jackfruits follow a separate path, grouped to maintain uniform processing conditions. After sorting, the jackfruits move toward the cleaning and preparation area, where washing, cutting, and drying will transform them into crispy dried jackfruit snacks. The sorted jackfruits now enter the preliminary washing system, where powerful water jets remove dust and surface residue. High-pressure nozzles spray directly onto the rough skin, reaching deep into the spiky texture. Next, the fruit passes through large, rotating brushes, combined with a foaming cleaning solution, scrubbing away remaining dirt and sticky sap. A final rinse follows, using multiple clean water showers to ensure the surface is completely clean before cutting. In the cutting area, workers use large blades to split each jackfruit in half, releasing thick white latex from inside. Before moving on, workers pick up each pod and perform a final manual quality check. The jackfruit pods are then washed again to remove remaining fibers and latex. From above, the clean pods are fed into an automatic slicing machine. Large rotating blades cut the pods into thin, uniform slices at high speed. Perfectly even jackfruit slices fall gently onto the conveyor below. At quality control, technicians use digital calipers to measure slice thickness. The exact thickness is displayed, ensuring consistency for the drying process. Finally, the sliced jackfruit moves into the pre-treatment system, preparing it for controlled drying in the next stage of production. The sliced jackfruit now enters the pre-treatment system, where it is gently immersed in a high-quality solution designed to preserve color, flavor, and texture. After pre-treatment, the slices are rinsed again with multiple streams of clean water, removing any remaining residue before frying. As the jackfruit is lifted from the liquid, excess water drains away, preparing the slices for the next critical stage. The pale yellow slices are transferred into specialized frying baskets and carefully lowered into hot oil. The moment they touch the oil, intense bubbling begins as moisture rapidly escapes from the fruit. Technicians closely control the frying temperature, maintaining optimal conditions to protect flavor and nutrients. The process continues inside a vacuum frying system, where lower pressure allows the jackfruit to dry evenly at reduced temperatures. Gradually, the slices turn a deeper golden color, developing a light, porous structure that creates the signature crunch. Once frying is complete, the baskets are lifted and excess oil drains away. The dried jackfruit moves onto centrifugal de-oiling conveyors, where spinning motion and airflow remove remaining surface oil. Industrial fans further reduce residual oil and heat, stabilizing the product. The golden chips pass through final drying and cooling tunnels, locking in crispness. Quality control technicians test the texture by hand, snapping pieces to confirm a clean, brittle break. The dried jackfruit then enters seasoning machines, where carefully measured spices are added. Inside rotating drums, the chips tumble evenly, coating each slice with flavor. Finally, the seasoned jackfruit chips exit onto conveyors, where workers perform a last visual inspection, removing any pieces that fail to meet standards. At this point, the dried jackfruit is fully transformed, crisp, flavorful, and ready for packaging. At this stage, the dried jackfruit chips enter the automated packaging line, where speed, precision, and consistency are critical. Each bag is then weighed and sealed using controlled heat, forming an airtight closure that prevents moisture and oxygen from entering. Production dates and expiration information are stamped clearly onto the packaging, ensuring full traceability and compliance with food safety regulations. At quality control, technicians randomly verify bag weights to confirm they meet the exact specification. Only bags that pass inspection continue forward. Approved packages are grouped and manually packed into cardboard cartons. Workers carefully arrange the bags to maintain shape and prevent crushing during transport. The cartons are sealed with strong adhesive tape, securing the contents for handling and shipping. Robotic arms then apply shipping labels and barcodes, linking each carton to its production batch and destination. Barcode scanners confirm order accuracy and inventory records in real time. Each completed pallet enters an automatic stretch wrapping machine. Layers of protective film tightly secure the cartons, preventing movement during transportation. Forklifts then collect the wrapped pallets and transport them through the warehouse toward the loading zone. While the final products are being prepared for shipment, the production cycle continues behind the scenes. Thin jackfruit slices are inspected once more before entering pre-treatment and vacuum frying systems. Seeds are mechanically separated and collected for reuse or further processing. Inside vacuum fryers, jackfruit slices cook gently under controlled pressure, allowing moisture to evaporate at lower temperatures. This preserves natural color, aroma, and nutrients while creating a light, crispy texture. Operators monitor frying time and pressure digitally, ensuring every batch reaches optimal quality. Once fried, the chips pass through centrifugal systems that remove excess oil efficiently. Oil drains away, leaving behind crisp, golden slices with minimal surface residue. Thermal cameras scan the chips again, verifying safe cooling before seasoning. Long cooling conveyors stabilize temperature and lock in crunch. Texture tests are performed using compression tools, confirming the signature snap that defines high-quality dried jackfruit. Next, the chips move into seasoning drums. Carefully measured spices cascade over the tumbling chips, coating every surface evenly. Seasoned chips exit the drums and return to the packaging line. Printed packaging film feeds smoothly into the machines, forming bags, sealing bases, and preparing for filling. Chips pour into metallic pouches, which are then sealed, dated, and inspected once more. Dozens of finished packages move together down the conveyor, undergoing automated weight checks. Workers pack approved bags into cartons according to strict packing lists, verifying counts digitally. Cartons are folded, taped, labeled, and transferred to palletizing robots once again. Robotic suction arms lift cartons effortlessly, stacking them with millimeter accuracy. Wrapped pallets are scanned, logged, and released into storage areas within the warehouse.